Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to post a full picture on Instagram. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you have done that, then please consider leaving a like. And let's get right into this. Firstly, I want to show you what I'm experiencing. So when I go and click on the post button at the bottom of Instagram and I try and post this entire picture, as you can see, when I pinch it, it's actually quite a lot longer than what Instagram actually let me post. As you can see, it just doesn't let me zoom out anymore. And I want to include this whole picture so we can actually go and get around this. But to do this, we are going to go and require an app. So what we need to do is go and close off Instagram like so. So I'm going to either open the App Store or the Play Store or whatever store your phone has. And the app you want is something called SquareFit. Now, you don't have to use this app here, but essentially what it is a photo editing tool, so you can use other apps, but I just like to go and use this app here. So once you've got it, go and open it up just like this, and there is a premium option. Personally, I use the free version, so I will tap on the top left, and now here we are on the app. So what you want to do is go to the bottom left and go and tap on new like this. Then you can choose a video, photo, or clear. In this case, I want to use a photo. Then what you need to do is go and select the photo you want to go and post on Instagram without it being cropped. In this case, it's this one here. So as you can see, we've now got this. And what you now want to do is go and position how you want the photo to be posted. So one thing I do want to do is go and remove this black bars. So I'm going to go and slightly pinch it using my fingers, just two fingers, and pinch it. So that's what I want to go and post on Instagram. And what you can do is go and adjust the size of the canvas. At the moment, it's in ratio 1:1, which means the sides and the lengths are exactly the same. So click on canvas and you can go and change that. And then what you can also do is scroll along, and there is a few more options as well. For example, you've got frames. You could go and add a frame if you like, but I like to go and keep it quite simple, so I'm going to go and press on nothing and then take. So once you're happy with your image, then what you can do is go to the top right and go and tap on save like this, and it then says square foot. Would like to add your photo, tap OK, and now it's gone, and it's now gone and saved it. So now what you can do is go and close off the square foot app or the photo editing app you're using, and you can go back to Instagram. Then what we can do is go and tap on the post button at the bottom like this, and then just like that, we have now got the image. We just went and sort of changed the position of, and we can now go and post this full thing. So I like to connect the white borders because then it fits on Instagram like pretty naturally. So then what you can do is tap on next in the top right, tap on next again, and then OK. And then what I'm going to do is go and paste it just like that, and it will take them to post. And then as you can see, that is how it looks, and that's perfect. It's got the full image. If you guys find this useful, please consider leaving a like.